Bula! How are you guys doing today? It's Baron and Bren Bruno, and we are with Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the #1 real estate agency in Fiji. And today we are at the Terraces Apartments, and it is sunset time. Looks like the guys just got off the golf course, and you got another tee just over here. And Cafe O just closed down also. But beautiful scenery here. Last few people in the pool. Walk with me because I'm going to show you a great new rental that we have straight ahead of us here. Really wonderful 1-bedroom in the Terraces Apartments. And this place is great. I've stayed here a few times myself. And this is walking distance. And when I say walking distance, I literally mean steps away from Port Denarau Marina. That's where our offices are. That's where all the boat charters are, sunset cruises, fishing charters, inter-island boat transfers. You name it, you can literally get it right just on the other side of this building. And of course, you have all the 5-star restaurants, the 5-star hotels. You have a wine bar, coffee shop. Everything is literally steps away. And this is, as you can see, fully furnished. So you have great outdoor seating, covered patio with the ceiling fan, tiled, super low maintenance. And this is a turnkey, self-contained apartment. So you literally just can come here and grab your bags from the airport and get over here, maybe grab some cold drinks along the way, and put them in the fridge when you get here, and you are literally all set. That's all you're gonna need. Plenty of storage space. I'm gonna walk you around so you can have a look. You have both upper cabinets on both sides. So this is a great space for a single person or a couple that's coming to Fiji. And if you're gonna be here short-term, long-term, this is a great spot to get things going. I've done it myself, so I know exactly about this place. It's professionally managed, so you have all those great amenities. These people can come here and get you everything that you need. Notice you have the washer and the dryer here. And let me just shut this. We're gonna bring it back out. So you have great places to store all your towels, all those bath products that I'm sure you have. You're gonna wanna bring some of those, right? Looking your best. Big full-length mirror. You have the key code access there, and you can get into the unit both sides. That is the front door access, and then we kind of came through here by the pool. And let's take a look at the bedroom. Full-length mirror. Yeah, male or female, everybody likes looking at themselves, making sure that they're looking super sexy and super hot, because you're going to go out and spend some time having some fun with some friends when you get here. Here is your little closet area, wardrobe to put all your clothes, and you're going to be here hanging out at the beach, so you probably won't have much, right? There's that Pacific green furniture designed and built right here in Fiji from sustainable palm wood. So really cool. You can set some great items up here. Nice wicker couches here. I mean, super comfy. We have some of those at our place as well. Again, ceiling fan and air cons. So to find out more about this rental, you're going to want to go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. And we can get you all the details on this. And these things don't come up too often, so this thing's going to definitely go super fast. So if you want a rental that is just incredibly convenient to everything, and you get to see these sunsets over here, and if you want to play some golf over here, and you have tennis courts and everything that way, everything is all right here. And it's just waiting for you. We hope you're happy. We hope you're safe. This is the year of abundance. Give us a call at Professionals, 679 999 2051. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. Banaka!